At TIA Wheels, our steel wheel factory stands at the heart of our commitment to quality and innovation, a fully automated facility designed to deliver strength, precision, and consistency at every stage. Powered by an intricate Internet of Things network, our intelligent production system connects every stage of the wheel manufacturing process for seamless communication and control. Our Advanced Manufacturing Execution System, or MES, constantly collects production data and provides a comprehensive overview of all manufacturing activities, from resource allocation to quality control. This data is communicated in real time to our automatic production line, creating a continuous data flow that ensures every step of production is optimized with maximum efficiency and precision. The Intelligent Production Workshop has increased production efficiency by 25%, reduced reject ratio by 17%, and shortened the development period by 10%. Human error is minimized and quality issues are resolved instantly. The automatic rim production line achieves a 40% reduction in energy usage and a 20% improvement in welding strength. These efficiencies lead to less welding slag and solid waste, contributing to a cleaner and more eco-friendly manufacturing process.